Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook an egg Benedict. First, let's master the poached egg. Begin with fresh, cold eggs for optimal shape. Bring a pot of water to a gentle simmer, adding a splash of white vinegar. Carefully crack each egg into a small bowl, then gently slide them into the simmering water. Cook for precisely 3 to 4 minutes until the whites are set and the yolks are still wonderfully runny. Next, we'll create the rich, velvety Hollandaise sauce. In a heat-proof bowl, whisk 3 egg yolks with 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Place the bowl over a pot of simmering water, ensuring it doesn't touch the water. Slowly drizzle in 1 stick, or 8 tablespoons, of melted unsalted butter while continuously whisking until the sauce thickens beautifully. Finish with a pinch of salt and a dash of cayenne pepper for flavor. Now for the exciting assembly. Begin by toasting 2 halves of an English muffin until they are golden brown and slightly crispy. Place a warm slice of Canadian bacon or ham on each toasted muffin half. Carefully transfer your perfectly poached eggs onto the bacon. Finally, generously spoon that luscious, warm Hollandaise sauce over the top of each egg, letting it cascade down the sides. To ensure your eggs Benedict is absolutely flawless, remember a few key tips. Always prepare all your ingredients, known as mise en place, before you start cooking. Keep your Hollandaise sauce warm in a double boiler to prevent it from breaking. Serve your masterpiece immediately to enjoy the optimal temperature and texture. With a little practice, you'll be poaching eggs like a professional in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.